Everybody, welcome back to How to YouTube. In this episode I will teach you how to edit your YouTube videos and why it is important. The first thing you'll need is OBS. OBS can help you go live and record YouTube videos in seconds. All you will need is OBS. You can download OBS from the How to YouTube Series 2 link finder, link in description. Next you'll need editing software. In this episode we will use DaVinci Resolve. You can download this with the How to YouTube Series 2 link finder. All links I mention is completely free. So let's begin. I will edit this file, How to YouTube Series 2 video. All you need to do is make sure you have a copy of your video files. Editing can help your videos by editing out the wrong sentences or editing out bad language and intro attempts. Editing can help your videos become professional. As well as DaVinci Resolve, examples include iMovie, Clipchamp and many others. iMovie is only compatible on Apple devices. Using these softwares is simple. You will need to find the basic tools like audio, music, text and then add them into your video where you think it's suitable. Loads of people use memes or fun music in their videos. Just find the one you want on YouTube and download it. This process is easy but could result in possible consequences like scams. Make sure when downloading you are using a trustworthy website and make sure it's not copyrighted. So you want to make sure your editing is suitable for your video subject. Too much editing could be a bit overwhelming. So let's get into it. First thing you'll need is your clips. So this is episode 4, so you will see this in 3 episodes. So what we need is our intro, and then what we need is the music as well. So I am just okay, so you want to put the music in. I just got some other videos and clips. Okay, so you want to put the audio, run it through, then run through your intro, clip it and delete that. Next you want to grab your audio, which is this is the audio, and this is what you'll be hearing. So I'm just going to do a quick little time lapse of me editing this. So we are going to do take 1 episode 4. So this is episode 4 and you can hear the take, so I've deleted it, and you always wait 3 seconds after recording, so you make sure you've got everything lined up. Hello everybody, welcome back to How to YouTube. In this episode, and I'm not going to tell you the rest, so I am going to not tell you anything, and now I'm going to unpause my time lapse when it gets to a certain part. Okay guys, just got into a certain part. What you want to do when you see this big space, you want to split it, remove it and line it back up. You can also change the speed by going to the music icon and lowering the speed, and the waves will rise. Okay guys, now I just got to the first text again, drag from the text and placed it there. And then you want to get your text, which is this one, and you want to put it on this one. And obviously we want it to make sure it fits, and make sure it fits with the background. That does not fit. We might want to do like a, no, we might want to choose a background to make so, but I've got a background that we can use. Here's our background, how to YouTube background. What we're gonna do, change. Okay guys, you want to make sure you keep on saving it. Just keep on saving your file. There we are guys. That is a full editing of episode 4 of How to YouTube episode 1. Now, this is called a timeline. The white are text, green are audio, as you can see on both ends. Now, what do you do with this? Make sure you save it, and then what you want to do is copy your title, go down to the rocket ship, to YouTube, and you want to browse. So once you found the place that you want to pull it, go save, add to render queue, go render all, and there it is. It's just going to be rendering. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share, and I will see you in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching How to YouTube.